Hi, welcome to my office at 6000 Fairview Road. Why don't you come in and check out where I spend most of my day when I'm not out helping you guys search for homes. So what do I love about my new office space? First, I'm centrally located in South Park, so that means I can be anywhere in 30 minutes or less. I'm also just 2 buildings down from my favorite closing attorney, as well as a handful of other popular real estate closing offices. If you need to get your bank check for your contract deposits, I am right next to almost every major bank, including Bank of America, Wells Fargo, BB&T, and SunTrust, which is now Truist. Also, I have private meeting space where we can still socially distance while discussing the home buying or selling process, searching for homes together, and completing the dreaded contracts. And I usually have snacks sitting around too, and everyone loves that. Thanks so much for stopping by and checking out my new office space. I would love for you to swing by and chat sometime. Thanks so much for watching.